In this video, we will see together how not to mix derrière and derrière. So it is not the first video where we have the same word with different functions. In that case, it will be derrière. So derrière can be a preposition, but it also can be an adverb. So derrière, preposition, and then derrière, adverb. And because of the function of these things, the preposition adverbs, we will use them quite differently. So let's have a look at derrière as a preposition. J'ai laissé la moto derrière la maison. So preposition, remember that it will introduce something. So derrière la maison, it could be, of course, it's a noun here, it could be the name of a person. We could even introduce a structure with a verb, but still it will introduce something. Something will come after it. So derrière la maison. J'ai laissé la moto derrière la maison. So the second possibility will be to use derrière as an adverb. Tu sais où est Joël? Je ne la vois pas. Elle était derrière? So as you can see, in that case, we are using derrière as an adverb, and the adverb won't introduce anything. So basically, the concept is that it doesn't introduce something that will come after. It's not connected to what is coming after. It's only connected as an adverb to the verb. And the verb here is être. Elle était derrière. Tu sais où est Joël? Je ne la vois pas. Elle était derrière.